material, it's not, it's like a sheeny sort of material. And when I put it on, it makes like a noise, like, I can't describe it, just like a crunching sort of noise. And when I put my arm through the sleeve, it just sends tingles all everywhere. I like to do it up. I do it up quite tight, like pull. It has a belt around it, and I like to pull the belt quite tight, so I'm in the mac securely. And it sort of goes out a little bit here. It's quite a nice one. So when I move, it like brushes all over my legs. And when I sit down, it rises up, and I can feel the material everywhere. And it makes me feel good. Feeling it on like my naked skin is what really gets me. Once I went down the street in just my Mac with nothing else on, and it was the most erotic experience of my life. I got halfway down the street and had to sit on the wall because something just exploded inside of me. It just made me feel liberated and free. But I take good care of